Hello everyone, in the last video we reached till question number 7 of the topic simple interest. Now remaining question I'll just try to finish up soon. That video has become very long, that is why it was stopped till question number 7. Now from 8 onwards I'm going to explain it quickly. So over here the amount of a sum of money in 2 years. The amounts of a sum of money in 2 years amounts. So in 2 years is 2000, so this is time, 2 years. There are two cases, case 1 and case 2. In case 1 the time is 2 years, in case 2 the time is 5 years. So I will write here T2 and this T5. Then after here the first one, in 2 years amount has become, in 2 years amount has become A2. I'll be writing for that 2800, and A5 amount 5 will be equal to 3250. So find the interest in 3 years. So here we don't know many things, so we will have equations over here. The condition we know here, the principal and the rate. Principal and the rate for both are equal. So let it be, principal will be P for both, that we have to let the principal be P, let the principal be P, and let R be the R percent per annum, R percent per annum. Now you can solve this question. So let us do, that is the given I have written in the question. Now the solution is this. Solution is this. We know principal, both the principal are same. First, for this case 1 I'll take out the principal. Principal is equal to amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. And similarly for second case also I'll find out principal will be same, no change in the principal. So amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. But this is change, this is for A2, this is for A5. Amount in 5 years, this amount in 2 years. So what is the amount in 2 years? Let us see. Amount in 2 years is 2800 multiplied by 100 by 100 plus time is 2 years, we know. Rate we don't know, rate let it be R only, rate is R. Similarly over here principal will be equal to, amount in 5 years is 3250 multiplied by 100 whole upon 100 plus time is 5 years, rate we don't know, let it be R. Rate and principal will be same, there will be no change in that. Now moving ahead, so this is also principal, this is also principal. Since the principal are same, since the principal are same, we can equate them. Principal are same, same means equal. So this 2800, this one will be equal to this one, 284 times 0 whole upon 100 plus 2R will be equal to 325, 3 times 0 whole upon 100 plus 5R. Now we can reduce this one on the top because equal to sign is there. 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here. Still if you want to cut, you can cut among them. If you don't want to cut, you can multiply, cross multiply. So when you do cross multiply, it will be 280 multiplied by 100, 280 00 plus 5 into 5r into 280, how much it is going to be? Let's write that. 500, 5 8 is a 40, 5 2 is a 10, 10 and 4, 14. 1400 r is equal to, similarly on this side, when this will cross multiply, 100 into 325 is 32500 plus 2r into, it will be 650r. Now all alphabet on the left side and number on the right side. So this is alphabet 1, 1400r. This is also alphabet 1 minus 650r. That is equal to 32,500 minus 28,000. So if you'll subtract, how much will come? 28 for 4,500. Similarly over here, from 1400, if you subtract 650, it will come 750. 750. And the value of r you will get from here, 4,500 divided by 750. 0 0 is reduced. 25 3s are 25, 1 is 25, 200, 25 8s are, and 3 6 are 18. That is 6%. So rate we have got over here 6%. Now easily we can find out the interest. Now we can find out the interest here. So for first case we know the time 2 years. So we have to find out the interest for 2 years. So interest is equal to PTR by 100. So principal also we can figure it out because we know the rate already we know, that is 6%. So principal we can find it from here. Here directly you can write principal. How much is the principal? So 3250 by 100 plus 5 into rate is 630. So 325000 divided by 100 plus 30, that is 130. 325000 divided by 130. As a result you will get, see, 13 2 is a 26, 13 5 is a 65, 0 0. So principal also we have got, that is 2500 into time. What is the time? So how much is asked? What is the interest for 3 years? For 3 years. So time 3 years. For 3 years and at the rate of 6% divided by 100, when you will do, you will get the answer. 6 3 is 18, 18 5 is 90, 9, 18 2 is 36 plus 9 45. So the interest for 3 years is 450. So interest for 5 years, similarly you can find it out. And principal and the sum. So principal already we have got. So this one here, again by writing again this one, you can do it in a blank space, and then at last this you have to find interest. After finding out the rate, after rate this step will come. You have to find principal, and after finding principal you have to do this, and you have to find out the interest. In this way you will get the rate as well as principal as well as interest for how many years you want. Question number 8b is also similar. Over here, the amount of sum of money in 5 years and 8 years. Same question. Come to question number 9. A sum of money earns interest equal to 3 by 5 of the principal in 4 years at the certain rate of interest. A rate is not given. Express the interest in terms of principal. So according to the question, now here solution. Let the principal be P. Let the principal BP, and then interest is equal to, according to question, interest is 3 by 5 of principal, that is equal to 3p by 5. You can convert it into decimal if you want. If you don't want, you can keep the same. Express the interest in terms of principal. That is done for question number 1. Now question number 2, what it is, write the formula to calculate the rate of interest. Calculate the interest rate. So rate is equal to, we know, I into 100 by principal into time. Find the rate of interest per annum. So now number 3, rate of interest, same thing, same formula. I, how much is the interest? Interest is 3p by 5. 3p by 5. So interest into 100 by principal. This 5 comes down, eh? So that's the fraction rule. So p is already there, and the time. Time, how much is the time given over here? Times given out here. Sum of money earns equal to 4 years. 4, I'll put 4 over here. So 425 and 525. P and P will be reduced. 3 5 15% per annum is going to be the answer for this question. So 9b will be also same. Yes. Let's come to question number 10a. If the difference between simple interest on a certain sum at 4% per annum for 6 years and 5% per annum for 4 years. So the difference between simple interest is given. Let us find out the simple interest. I'll do it quickly. So first simple interest, this is case 1, case 2. There are 2 cases. First case, what it is, difference between the simple interest on a certain sum, principal don't know. Case 1, case 2, principal don't know, principal let it be P, principal don't know, let it be P. Principal is P. So here's given 4% per annum, rate is given 4% per annum, time is also given 6 years, and 5% per annum. Again rate is given for the second case. This is second case, case 1, case 2. 5% per annum. Time is also given 4 years. And according to the question, the simple interest of this one, simple interest of this one, case 1, and simple interest of case 2. According to question, S1, I1, let it be I1. Simple interest 1 minus simple interest 2 is equal to rupees 28. Here's given in the question. The difference means subtraction. The difference between simple interest of first case and second case is rupees 28. So first case ko what is the simple interest? P T. T means 6 and R means 4. P T R by 100 minus again P T R. It means P into 4 into R by 100 is equal to 28. Whereas we will get 6 4 is 24. 24p. Both are having 100 in their denominators, so LCM will be also 100 minus 4 5 is 20p is equal to 28. 100 will go and multiply that side. This 24 minus 20, that is 4p is equal to 2800, and p is equal to 4 will come and divide it, so 700. So principal, this way we can find it out, find the sum. So this is the sum, this is the sum. So 10b may be similar. Let's go to question number 11 now. Question number 11. Find the simple interest on rupees 2250 for this much. Okay. Find the simple interest on. It means this is the principal. Principal over here is 2250 for 2.5 years. It means time is given in mixed fraction. So we will convert it into uh, um, improper fraction. 2 to the 415, 5 by 2 years, on which this much amounts to be rupees this much. Find the simple interest on rupees 2250 for 2.5 at the same rate. At case 1 and case 2 is here. So this is case 1. Now we have case 2 also. Case 2 I'll write here. Case 2, rate on which rupees 5250 principal. For case 2, principal is 5250, amounts to rupees 6168.75. Time is also given 3.5 years. So 3.5 years will be converted. 3 to the 6 plus 177 by 2 years. So rate we have to find, so that when we will get the rate over here in case 2, that we will apply in this question. That is telling find the simple interest on this much rupees for 2.5 years at the same rate on which rupees 5020, the rate will be same. So from here we will get the rate I into 100 by T into P. So interest we know, amount minus principal. Let's find it out. Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Here amount is 6168.75 minus 5250. After subtracting we will get 75 same to same, 808,651, 11 to 9, 11 to 9. This is 59,000, 5,918.75. There's something wrong, I think. It's too much. Okay, so what we do is we'll do it again. We'll subtract and get the answer here by using calculator. Also you can do, because 6168.75 minus 5250. 75 will remain same. 8190 0918. I was writing 5 for that. Okay, so this is 918.75. This is the interest. So 918.75 multiplied by 100 whole upon time is 7 by 2. By 2, that 2 will go and multiply on the top. And the principal is 5250. So here after multiplying by 100 it will become 91875. 91875. So these two zeros will remove the decimal into 2 by 7 into 5250. So you reduce it and you get the answer. How much will come? The rate you will keep over here, rate here, and then after you will find out what PTR, simple interest. Interest is equal to PTR by 100. Let's go to the next number. It's very simple. Now you need to reduce by using calculator. You can do that. Reduce it and keep it over here and get the answer. Okay, this is the last, I think. Okay, so if this is the last, let me reduce it. Okay, so this is it. 5, table of 5 or table of 7 can reduce 5. So 5 ones are 5 fives are 5 zeros are. So I'll cut and write over here 5 ones are 5, 41, 5 eights are 40, 18, 5 threes are 15, 37, 5 sevens are 35, 5 5 25. Again 5 can reduce it. 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 33, 5 six are 30, 37, 5 sevens are 35, 5 5 25. Again 5 can reduce. 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 5 5 25. 7 can reduce it. 7 ones are 7, 0 7 5 are 35. 3 can reduce it. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15, 7 twos are 7 fives. 2 and 2 can be reduced. Here came 5 percentage. So that 5 percentage we can keep here and solve this question. Principal is 2250. Time is 5 by 2. That 2 will go down. And rate is 5%. Multiply by 100. Let's reduce it. 1010 top. 5 2 ja. Now just multiply these all, you will get the answer. So this is how it is all solved. Hey, till question number 11. So do you have something else to do here? Other kind of question over here. 9b. Simple interest on a certain sum 1 by 4. And this kind of question is solved. Okay, here also a sum of money lent out. So this one I'll explain in this video. A sum of money lent out at a simple interest amount to rupees 600 in 2 years and rupees 800 in 6 years. So this is the same question which I have explained before. So there are two cases, case 1, case 2. In both the cases, principal and rate are same and amount is different. So amount 1 is rupees 600 and amount 2 is rupees 800. Amount 2 is for 6 years and amount 1 is for how many years? 2 years. Now principal we have to find. Both the principal will be same, right? Principal is equal to amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. Time and rate will be same, right? Let the principal and rate principal and rate be P and R percent. 100 plus TR, same over here. Principal is equal to this is A1, this is A2. Amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. We have to equate them. So first let's keep the value and then equate them. Or directly also we can equate. Now, since they are same, we can write amount 1 into 100 by 100 plus TR is equal to amount 2 into 100 by 100 plus TR. Whereas amount 1 is 600 into 100 divided by 100 plus time in the first case is 2 years. 2 into R is R percent only, rate is. So amount 2 is 800 now. Amount 2 over here 800 into 100 divided by 100 plus time, in this case it's 6 years, so it will be, and r is r percent only. So let us reduce the top one. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Okay. Now do cross multiplication. 6 into 100 600 plus 6r into 6 6 6 are 36r. Similarly in this case 8 into 100 800, cross multiply 800 plus 2r into 8 16r. So all alphabet on the left side, 36r minus 16r is equal to 800 minus 600, that is equal to 20r is equal to 200, whereas r is equal to 10. 20 will come and divide 10. So rate came out 10% per annum. Now we can find out what? After finding out the rate, we have to find out the sum principal. So to get the principal, it's very easy. You can use any one of this. Again, principal is equal to amount into 100 by 100 plus TR. Now I know the amount, in this case 800 into 100 by 100 plus time is, in this case time is 6 years, and the rate we have just now found, what is that? 10. I'll get the principal. 8 4 times 0 divided by 100 plus 16 just 60, 160. After dividing we will get 16 5s are 80, 500, 500. So the principal was rupees 500. Okay, this is what I have explained all the questions of simple interest. Thank you very much for watching my video.